In this video, we're going to show you how to easily check the health of your car battery and your car's alternator with real-time monitoring using one of these simple devices. Let's get started. First, we have this battery tester by TN Tani. This tester type uses the cigarette lighter plug to take measurements. Features a backlit voltage display, color-coded indicator lights, and a 90-degree pivoting head. This device is an easy plug and play, with built-in range chart in the back. To test your car's battery, simply plug the device into your car's cigarette lighter port. Turn the car keys to the on position without starting the engine. Here you can see it's showing the battery is discharging at a lower voltage, indicating it's not at optimal charge. We'll discuss more on how to read the numbers a little later. To test your car's alternator, the device that recharges your battery when the car is on, turn your key fully to start the engine. Once the car is started, you can check the readings to determine your alternator's condition. Here you can see the alternator is functioning in good condition. Here's a nighttime view when using the device for real-time monitoring. Pros. We like the color-coded indicators, it's easy to read and you don't have to try and decipher the voltage. Cons. Depending on where your cigarette lighter plug is, the device is bulky and may sit in an awkward position, making the voltage hard to read. When driving, we would not see the voltage reading at all. And the backlight was too bright in the evening. Next, we have this battery tester by Jebsen's. This is another tester type that uses the cigarette lighter plug to take measurements. Features a LED voltage display, dual quick charge 3.0 charging ports, with one USB-C port and one USB-A port. Another easy plug and play device. To test your car's battery, simply plug the device into your car's cigarette lighter port. Turn the car keys to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see this voltage reading is indicating the battery is at optimal charge. To test your car's alternator, simply turn your key fully to start the engine. Once the car is started, you can check the readings to determine your alternator's condition. With this reading, the alternator is functioning in good condition. Here's a nighttime view when using the device for real-time monitoring. Pros. We prefer this LED display, which is much easier to read, both during the day and evening, than the other device. Dual charging ports gives this device another use without taking up a plug. It's a small footprint and has a nice, sleek and aesthetically pleasing design that matches well with the interior of a car. Cons. We'll need to know what the voltage readings mean. You can find links to both devices in the description below. Now more on deciphering the voltage readings. To check the general condition of your car battery with these cigarette lighter battery testers, you want to monitor the voltage during startup. A fully charged battery will read about 12.6 volts, so in general, if your battery voltage reads between 12.3 to 12.6, it's generally at a good charge. Your car should have no issue starting up with 11.8 volts or higher, but anything under 11.8 you might experience difficulty cranking up your machine, while typically under 10.8 volts, your car won't have enough power to start up. A lower voltage reading does not necessarily mean your battery is bad. It can be due to a number of factors, like it's been a few days since your last drive, extreme hot or cold temperatures, or multiple short drives during extended periods where there isn't sufficient time for the battery to fully recharge. Key is monitor this number. If you see it consistently getting lower even after longer drives, it may mean your battery isn't holding charge well and it's almost due for a replacement. Just make sure it's your battery that's the issue and not the alternator. To confirm your alternator is working correctly, when the engine is running, the voltage meter should have a reading between 13.5 to 14.6 volts. Anything higher or lower may indicate an issue with your alternator and you should get it checked out by a mechanic right away. A failed alternator mid-drive will leave you stranded. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.